So what you want to do first is put your memory card back in the Mavic, right in behind that little door there. Remove the gimbal cover and the gimbal lock. Turn your Mavic on and turn the controller on. And open the DJI app. So just go to the three little dots on the side and go to settings at the top. Then scroll down to format SD card. Then hit OK. And then when you're done, hit OK again. And that's it, you're finished. So just on a side note, I'm new to droning and I used this piece of plastic cardboard at first for a landing pad for my drone. But it's 2x2 and it's just too dang small. You think at first it's big enough, but once you get up in the air and try to land on it, it just doesn't cut it. I mean, it was light and really easy to carry, but no, it just wasn't doing it. So I found this great landing pad and you should check it out. I'll have it linked in the description below. But it's only 13 inches wide and it's super light. So you just unzip it out of its case, give it a shake, and it expands out to 36 inches. It's marked with north, south, east, and west, and it has a black side and an orange side. And it has a nice cushioning effect when you land your drone. And like I said earlier, it's a full 3 feet across and it gives you plenty of room to land. And it also has these 4 loops so that you can peg it down. But my rule is, if it's windy enough to lift it up off the grass, it's too windy to fly. You just give it a twist to collapse it, and it fits back in its case with very little effort. And as you can see, it's nice and easy to see from the air. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like, subscribe, and hit the dinger to get notifications, and we'll see you next time.